Hey guys, my name is Ash and I'm a photographer and content creator. So before we get started, today's video is brought to you by GPB South Africa. If you don't know who they are, they're an all-in-one stop for all things photo, video and batteries. You could use my discount code to get 5% off your next purchase.
GPB have been in the industry for a very long time and are well known for providing top quality batteries for the photo and video industry. So in the box we just get the battery, which is the NP-F750, and a micro USB charging cable. This is a 7.4 volts 4000 milliamp lithium ion battery. Now these batteries can be charged or discharged at any time without developing a memory effect. Now just a quick note that these are not coded for Sony video cameras. One of the best things about these batteries is that they feature a built-in charging port so that they can be charged via a micro USB cable, and you can charge them at home with a power bank that's high capacity, as well as in your car if needed. These batteries are universal and work on any brand that has an L series battery plate. GPB also make the F550, which is a smaller 2000 milliamp version, and the F970, which is a larger 6000 milliamp version. I personally find the F750 to be the best balance between size and capacity. I have used both the GPB WB29, which is made for the Godox 8200 Pro, and the NP-F750 battery for over a year, and these batteries still perform as if they are brand new, even though they have been charged and discharged many times.
And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.